Poke tool used to decorate surface patterns. Claw tool used to decorate stripe patterns. The other end can smooth the surface. Imprinting decoration mat. Add water, smooth the surface. Add water to the pressing surface of the mold to prevent adhesion and damage to the surface. Gently press the surface of the clay to form a pattern. Any tool can be used as a tool for decorative patterns. Sticker decoration method. Choose your favorite pattern and stitch it on the Adding water helps in the bonding between the clays. Scratches at the splice can increase the bonding. Each connecting surface should be spliced and left no gaps.